how you can pin chats on your Messenger app. Now, before we start, if you're new to our channel, just hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now, let us start. The first step is opening up the Messenger app. So just open Messenger up, and after you've done that, just open up the chat that you want to pin. After you've opened it up, just go ahead and just select the chat that you want to pin. Now after you tap on it for a few seconds, there are several options, like you can reply to the chat, you can copy the chat, you can even forward it, or you can even react to it. Just tap on more, and after you do that, you will see more options right there. Now you can add word effect, you can pin it too. So just tap on pin, and just tap on pin again, and that's how you can pin a chat on your Facebook or Messenger. So let's do that again. Let's pin that, and I've pinned two of the chats. Now you can see it on update. You can just go there and just see the pinned chats. And that is all for the video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and bye bye, take care.